Hey, Rainbow here. Welcome to my channel. You are looking at some brand new stuff that was sent to me by Insta360. They are completely aware that I've been having trouble with my GoPro equipment. Really specifically, the audio is one, and it kicking on and off for me, and it's just been really difficult. So I met Insta360, one of their reps, two of their reps actually, at EICMA this year in 2023, and they've agreed to let me try out their stuff for free. But as always, I am under no obligation. Yes, they sent this to me for free. Yes, I can keep it. However, I am under absolutely no obligation to kiss their butt. So let's take a look at this total package here, see what it has in it, and let's at least do an opening. All right, taking a look at the motorcycle bundle for the Insta360. This is already an improvement over what I had previously. Extra parts so that you can do all of the things that you need to do. The clamp has been very much redesigned. I do love this design much better. It seems to be a little bit more robust, and it also appears to be a little less of a profile to it. Got a whole bunch of different mounts here, some tools, some extra parts. So when I put this on the bike, we'll see what happens. Let's take a look at some other stuff. Didn't even know that they sold memory cards. I have a ton of them, but 128 gigabyte memory card is something I will definitely take. So in addition to that motorcycle bundle, this is separate. It's even more low profile here. Okay, ooh, cricky, nice. And this is a motorcycle U-bolt. So it has a U-bolt in there, has some straps for it, some more parts, and of course it has different nice shims that you can put in there for different size handlebars. Really loving looking this. This is something I would want to permanently install on the bike somewhere. So far, so good. Now this selfie stick, it seems to be definitely a different material. It is lighter weight. It expands out just like all the other ones do. And I already broke one of mine because I made the mistake of using this and I tightened down on top and I spun it out. This is built completely different. I guess we'll have to get into this a little bit more, but again, they did send me a selfie stick and it appears to be a lighter weight and a different, more composite material. And talk about convenience. This is a quick reader that can do either a standard current USB or even the traditional, formerly the traditional iPhone plug by being able to be a card reader into the phone. It could be either one. That is pretty cool. I didn't even know that they made this, but very convenient and very compact. Now this is something that I will definitely have two of now because I already bought one of these and it's really inexpensive. It was like under 20 bucks. And this is a mic adapter that allows you to put a 3.5 millimeter jack in there for a microphone. And this plugs right into the Insta360 X3 that I have. And apparently this is going to work with the Action Pro. Now this is something that's really cool and it goes with the Insta360 Ace Pro. This is like a remote watch, a remote monitor where you can see everything that's going on the camera when the camera's, especially, look how this, just look how convenient this is gonna be when I have the camera mounted on my helmet, yet while it's mounted on my helmet, I can't see what's going on. I can now look at it. I can wear it as a watch. I can put it on the bike around the handlebars using this if I wanted to. It'll charge this way. I mean, this is pretty cool to have this and it fits in all these different things. So this is actually amazing. I can't wait to start putting this system together. But let's get to the most important part. All right, so apparently I need an engineering degree to get this open, but before I open it, let's take a look at what this is. It's got a flip-up screen. We'll see that once we get it up and running. It is co-engineered with Leica, and as a former commercial photographer, Leica is an absolutely fantastic name when it comes time for lenses. And this has a massive 1.3 inch sensor on it. It says pure video. It has slow mode that does 4K 120, which is almost hard to believe. It does have image stabilization, and it does have free frame video, whatever that is. I'll figure all that stuff out there. But there's a lot more to talk about with this, especially with that almost 2.5 inch flip screen on there. AI highlight assist, that's gonna be interesting. Waterproof to 33 feet, which comes in handy. And here's a big interesting thing, magnetic mount system. So I'm really curious about that, and it will have both gesture and voice control. Let's get this open. All right, let's continue with this unboxing. It does come with a mount. I already have 2 of these on the motorcycle kit that it came with. Of course, a power cable, USB cable. This is what the battery looks like. Very similar to the GoPro battery, so I'm not going to expect as much long of a life out of it as I would from maybe the X3 battery, but we shall see. This does feel like heavier, like much heavier and a little bit larger though than the GoPro battery. We will see. I will definitely be purchasing, I'm gonna actually go on the website right now and I'm gonna order some more of these, because one battery is just never enough, especially if you're on a long ride. And you also wanna rotate batteries, because batteries, the heat is one of the worst things for a battery. So I typically always have 3 batteries. I have 1 in use, 1 on cooldown, and 1 on charge. It comes with the mag base, which I'm gonna have to get used to, because this whole magnetic thing is gonna scare me as far as something falling off. And of course, the Ace Pro itself with the flip screen. Let me show that to you. So if you want to use this for like vlogging, man, this is going to be awesome, because you can flip the screen up to look right at you. Now, this is just an unboxing, so you see what comes in here. I'm very fortunate to have this sent to me. However, again, like I said, when I do my actual review, it is going to be very honest, because I'm under no obligation whatsoever. So as you guys know, that's it. Anyway, this is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. There's your unboxing. Pretty excited about this. Been wanting to kind of find a good replacement for GoPro for a long time, and I think I just did. Rainbow out.